Good morning, guys. Today I'm going to show you guys how to do PVC connections. As you can see, we got an exposed pipe. We're going to uncap this and connect that. That's my sink down there, so my sink doesn't have water currently. This was accidentally broken by one of our employees. So first thing you want to do is shut the water off. This is our water shut off. Go ahead and turn that righty-tighty. Nice and tight till it doesn't spin anymore. Shut the water off, you're gonna want to bleed the line. This bathroom is also connected to the same water line. So go ahead and turn it off. You watch it slowly lose pressure. You can just go ahead and leave those open. The longer the better. Then I'll also open up this line. Here are the tools you'll need: PVC pipe cutter, Christie's PVC solvent cements, and a measuring tape. This is the joint disconnecting right here. So why you use these cutters as opposed to a Sawzall or something, it gives you a nice clean cut. So I kind of need two hands for this, but what the idea is you keep on clamping this and it'll slowly cut through. So I cut off the cap I had there. As you can see, it gives you very clean and straight cut. Makes for a good connection. This side, I'm also gonna cut back and just remove that old glue. So I went ahead and removed this section of this old glue, because you don't want to put old glue, new glue over old glue. So now what I'm gonna do is just dig that back a little bit. It's kind of sitting in the dirt, so I actually don't get any dirt in my connection. So I dug this out a little bit more underneath it. This is still leaking slightly, so we're gonna dry fit our connections now and wait for that to completely drain. So for this job, you're gonna want two 3/4 inch couplers, one for this side, one for that side, and then a straight tube, a 3/4 inch straight tubing in the middle, which I have right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and measure that out and cut it out. So the Christie's is a two-step process. First, you put the primer on your joints, and then you put the glue. So the primer is your purple one. Put it in there. Put it around here. And you can go heavy with it. Make sure you get underneath. All right, so I have my coupler, my straight tubing, and my other coupler. I dry fitted everything. Everything's ready to go. Next thing you want to do is just kind of wipe these down, get all the dirt in there, if there is any dirt, on both connections. And then we'll start gluing. When using the glue, it does stain concrete, put down with cardboard, and then also kind of burns their hands, so I'd wear some rubber gloves too. So I'm gonna clean this up and I'm gonna get started on this side. Applied the glue. Glue is the blue one. Go ahead and twist it on. Quarter-inch turn. Alright. Do the same on the other side. Just did that joint connection. And this seals in about 15 minutes. It's got one more to go. So I got everything all set. Everything is curing. Wait about 15 minutes and then we'll turn the water back on.